In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Microsoft Outlook. Keeping your account details updated is an important part of maintaining your security and ensuring you can always recover your account when needed. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to update the phone number connected to your Microsoft account, which also applies to your Outlook services. Before you begin, make sure your new phone is nearby, turned on, and able to receive messages or calls for verification. This step is essential because you'll need to confirm ownership of the number during the process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Microsoft account page. This is the main hub where you can manage all your account settings. Once the page loads, sign in using your account credentials. If you are asked to verify your identity, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This added step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. After signing in, locate the section labeled with your personal information. This area contains your profile details and allows you to manage your contact and security settings. From there, access the account information section and choose the option to edit your details. Depending on your current settings, you may be asked to confirm your identity once again before making any changes. Now, look for the option to add a new phone number. Select the correct country or region code, then carefully enter your new number. Make sure it is accurate and formatted properly so that it can receive verification messages without any issues. Once entered, choose to receive a verification code and wait for it to arrive on your device. When you receive the code, type it into the verification field to confirm your new number. After successful verification, your new phone number will appear in your account details. At this point, you can locate your old number and remove it from your account. Be sure that your new number is fully verified before deleting the old one to avoid losing access to recovery options. If the changes do not appear immediately, simply refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. Keeping your contact information updated ensures a smoother and more secure experience across all Microsoft services. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell